Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty will perform and few of the stocks. See, if we look at this chart, we can see that the Bank Nifty now is trying to make a W pattern and made a high of around 35,000 200. If you look at this chart, in this candle is made a high of around 35,200. So which is a big resistance point, and today we know that it has already crossed 35,000, which was a big resistance, and once it break this level 35,200, then we can see further upside movement in the Bank Nifty, because we can see that now the resistance is coming at a level of 35,373 and then 419. Before that we can see around 293. Once this level is crossed, then we can see a level of 328, and from we can see at a level of 350, and from there we can see a level of 340. And once this level is crossed, we can see this is the pattern is forming here, U pattern. Once this pattern is crossed downside, then we can see that there can be a further rise in the price of Bank Nifty, and it can go further to a level of 36,000 also very soon. But it has, if once it crossed 35,400, then there is high chances that it can touch a level of 35,575, and from there it can touch a level of 35,800, and then 36,000 also very soon, because this pattern has already formed. So there is a chance it can go further high. But if it goes below a level of 34,800, then there is chances it can go and touch a level of 30,000. Then there is chances it can touch a level of 34,600 also, and 34,500. But what I see that this W pattern is created, and there is high chances that it can break this level and can make a new high and touch a level of 35,400 as of and if we talk about Nifty, so let's wait for the first 15-minute candle where the market opens, and then we'll decide. But if we talk about Nifty, Nifty, what Nifty did today is that it was in continuous and uptrend, we can see. But if Nifty opens above 15,300, or if it crosses this level, then definitely we can see that it can make it it can touch its all-time high of around 15,421, and then can make a new high. So there is a high probability of it. As we know that the SBI is also performing good, and we can see that it is continuously in green. But if it opens below, because it is nearer to its high, then there is a probability that, and the pattern is created here, so there is a probability that it can touch a level of new high, as well as can make a new high. But if it opens below 15,200, then we can expect that there can be that it can touch a level of 15,150 to 15, which with a strong support of 15,000. But as of now we can see that it has closed at around 15,300. And over that, if it goes below that level, then we can see at around 15,250, or then it can touch a level of 15,175. So this is the pattern forming here. So once it crossed this level, then only we can see that it can touch a level of 15,430, or it can cross that level. And if you talk about a few stocks, that SBI we can see, SBI we can see a same pattern is forming as of Bank Nifty and Nifty. So there is high chances that it can break its all-time high and can touch a level. So what we would suggest that be on the buying side with a stop loss of around 1419. And there is chances it can make a new high. If we talk about IOC, there is chances that if it takes a support at this level, or bounces back from 109, then there is high chances that it can bounce back from here, and can make a new high, it has already made a new high, and from there it came down. But if we see these patterns, that it made a new high, came down, it made a new pattern, came down, made a new high, came down. So if made a new high and came down, so once if this support, if touch this support of 109.2 something, if it bounce back from there, then I would suggest it's a goodbye at this time, and then there is chances it can make a new high also. Okay, with a target of around 10115. Okay, if you buy at 11109 around, but it which is your stop loss. I hope that if it goes below this level, then it can go further low, but as of now, if it with this support, if it comes above 110, then we can expect there can be chances it can touch again a new high. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.